Alright guys, so before this video gets started, I just wanted to say this is my first time taking a look at the Revenge pieces, official store, and I'm not gonna lie, they have some fire pieces. I saw some crazy insane things, so this is gonna be a nice little video. You'll get my opinions on how I feel about it, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Revenge drop. They had a recent drop. One of you guys notified me right over here, and thank you guys for keeping me up to date, because I'm not gonna lie, some of these pieces I don't know everything about, so when y'all go ahead and notify me, helps me out, because I can go ahead and push the video out, get my viewpoints. And I need to go ahead and say this, I just looked and everything freaking sold out. This is my first time looking at them, and there were actually a few pieces that I actually wanted to go ahead and buy, because I did take a look at it already. But you know, for future videos, I plan on doing cool, nice little lookbooks with all these pieces that I'm gathering. So you guys, make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you guys go ahead and like up this video. Without further ado, you already know how this goes. Gonna pull out that laptop and get stuff started. Alright, so you guys already know how this section goes. I say it every time, but look, I got my laptop and I'm about to get the screen recording going. Let's get it. Boom. Okay, so you guys can see what is on the screen right now. And look, I'm kind of late to the game. For some reason, I thought Revenge was X's brand. But actually, you guys notified me, y'all let me know that X had a collab with Revenge, but it expired. So that's why I was getting all this stuff confused. I was like, oh shoot, it's cool. X's brand, Revenge, yada, yada, yada. But apparently that's not right. And we're just gonna go ahead and take a look at these pieces. I ain't gonna lie, this brand is nice, bro. If you don't know anything about me, I plan on there's a whole lot of lookbooks. I've been looking for lower streetwear brands to see if I can get some few pieces to do a kind of clothing haul / lookbook video. I really got that planned for the future. But yeah, I'm looking at these pieces. I don't know these pieces are looking nice, but it sold out so fast. And look, y'all see this chain, bro? I can't wait to touch on it. But as of right now, I'm liking these pieces. And look at these bags, bro. Look at these freaking shoulder bags. If y'all know anything about me, I love bags. I love accessories. And I really was going to go ahead and purchase one of these. I don't know if I would want any one of these colors is a good go. But y'all already know, I kind of like to start off at the last row. So what we're going to do, since I like the bag a lot, we're going to take a look at the shirt. All right. Okay, so go ahead and turn up the brightness for me real quick. Okay, so we have the Black Heavens tee. It's kind of hard, something simple. And what? Y'all see these prices? $38, bro? That's it? Oh, I'm lit. I'm freaking lit, bro. I did not think it was gonna be as cheap, bro. Let's take a look at the back. Cool little Revenge. I mess with this, bro. I honestly do, especially for that price, bro. True size recommended as well. Y'all already know. Oh, dang, bro. They have really good prices. I guess this is it in white, the White Heavens one. Another fire freaking piece, bro. What? It's crazy. Also, they have it in yellow. So as of right now, they have it in 3 different colors: white, black, and yellow. All right, I'm messing with it. I probably would have copped the yellow one just because it's different. It's a little bit different. The color pops. And it's a machine wash code on those. Oh yeah, and see, they have it a whole lot. They give you a lot more instructions. Just kind of know what it's like. You know what I'm saying? They give you a thorough description of the piece that you're buying. I ain't gonna lie, I'm messing with them, bro. And time for that Showtime piece, $58 for this little bag. I ain't gonna lie, I would cop this, bro. This one is fire. But I'm not too familiar with Revenge, the brand. So can you guys go ahead and just notify me and let me know what's the resale predictions with this type of stuff? Do they go for crazy amounts? Is it just regular? Because if it's not too expensive or whatnot, the resale value, if any one of you guys got one of these bags, low key hit my line, or comment down below if you were able to cop one of the bags, because I might go and take it off your hands, if you know what I'm saying. So we got the Black Bones tee. Says Revenge in the front. Does it have anything on the back? Alright, it's kind of hard. Little skull. And these prices, bro. You can literally cash out with just $100 and get some nice pieces, bro. I'm messing with this, bro. I'm messing with them. Oh, but I feel like they can get away with pricing their stuff like higher, bro. Like I'm pretty sure with some of these shirts they can get away with like $75 to $100. That's what I'm thinking because it's a cool little unique design. It's got a little skull, a little R. I'm assuming that this is their logo. And a cool little revenge. I'm messing with these, bro, for sure. But as of what I can see thus far, it's like each row has the same style, just different colors. So, of course, this yellow. After I get through the second row, I'm gonna go ahead and get to ranking. The gray one, I ain't gonna lie, you won't really, I wouldn't cop the gray version just because, man, I be sweating, bruh. In gray, you would know that I be sweating on cap. So I have to pass on that. And then this black one, I'm really feeling the white one over this one. Really feeling the white one over this one. I think the white one is my favorite one. So let's go ahead and get to ranking these few pieces right here. Okay, so first, number one, of course, gonna be the white Spider-Man bag. Second, yellow Heavens tee. I'll get 3, the black Heavens tee. 4 is going to be the white Heavens. Then 5 right here. 6, 7, 8. So that's what we got for the first 2 rows. But as of right now, the honest viewpoints for Revenge thus far, like the pieces is nice, bro. And they're like in that perfect range. Like, bro, if you're able to get your hands on this, you're not breaking the bank. And these are just like some cool, nice little pieces. Like, I definitely plan to have a few of these in my collection. A few Revenge pieces in my collection, whether it's for their accessories or for like their shirts. I don't really know. But y'all knowing me, I kind of want things that is like a little bit more unique. That's why I have these 2 pieces right here ranked higher, because I feel like they're different and they're kind of like louder, and you actually like, I mean, you can just tell like what it is. Okay, so now we're into the hoodies. They have the Heavens prints. Ooh, $88 for this hoodie. Ooh, they took a big jump. Wait, is it cropped? I think it's cropped. It gotta be cropped, right? Trying to see if it says. It doesn't say, but I'm assuming that it's cropped. Bro, I like cropped hoodies a lot. And if this is, I think I'm messing with these. Y'all let me know if they're cropped. I really just mess with cropped hoodies. Because if that's the case, this blue one, man, they sold out so quick, bro. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on this brand for sure. I can't read this on the side. Something in the creator's hand. Something in the creator's hand. Okay, this blue one, I'm messing with this blue one. And I got a drawstring for this one. Okay, bro, it is cropped. Let's go. Oh, bro, I wish I could cop this. That blue one is tough. I would definitely get this. This one's gotta move to number 1, no cap. At least number 1 or 2. We got the red orange. That's what they calling these? Okay, I mean, I guess from this picture, I guess maybe they have red and orange in it. I don't know. Dang, bro, they sold out so fast, bro. I'm vibing with this. I'm vibing with these pieces so far. Oh, they got it in red. They got anything red is my favorite color. Which one goes harder? But this one's the Bones one. I gotta hold off on it. And we about to touch that chain too. So we got the 8. And we know we got the black Bones hoodie right over here. Okay, I'm definitely liking the Heavens one more. But they don't have anything on the side. And the hoodie is cropped as well. Okay. I think this white one is gonna be something to mess with. Yeah, this white one it's that subtle little nice drip. Bro, the reason why I like cropped hoodies so much is because you can layer it, bro. You can layer it. If you have like a long tee, top that off with it. It's a nice fit. Really, dang, bro. These prices ain't stupid crazy, at least for the shirts. The shirts is really affordable. The hoodies, you kind of breaking the bank for the hoodies, I'm not gonna lie. But they're still right underneath the bill. Yeah, I'm sorry, like, this one is still so fire, bro. Dang, this one's hard. Oh my goodness. And now, y'all about to get my viewpoints from this. Look at this freaking price, bro. If y'all know anything about jewelry, I don't care what they say. 100K, just round this up with tax, shipping, whatever, you know what I'm saying? They're trying to charge this, they said they got 288 total grams of 8 karat white gold. Okay, so, solid white gold. Cool. 63 carats of VVS, colorless stones, the chain independent. Alright, sounds normal. It's a 20-pointed, 22-inch tennis necklace. Okay, so let me go and put you on some game when it comes to jewelry, bro. I guarantee you, bro, if you go to like a top jeweler, you'll be able to get an iced out pendant like this and chain. Max, bro, like 30K. If you want to get a little bit crazy, 40K. Like this price right here is more than some artist's custom chain. You know what I mean? Like, if you're really looking at this price, like, they're trying to charge $100,000 for a Revenge chain. Essentially, what they're doing is bringing it's like, this chain, in my opinion, max 30K. the 54K you're buying so you can say, oh shoot, I got the revenge chain, like from them type stuff. So to me, this is like a ridiculous price. If anyone that's buying this, they just have to be like the biggest fan, because you can literally go take this idea to a jeweler and watch them do it for you with the same type of material, same type of quality of diamonds or whatnot for nothing more than 40K, bro. Insane, crazy. My bad, I feel like I'm getting on them, but like that's just a ridiculous price. I don't think that would sell. That should have been nothing more than 40K. But yeah, now we got some gloves over here, black racing gloves. I ain't too crazy with the gloves, man. I live in Houston. It's too hot over here. We don't catch snow. We don't catch no type of snow. But yeah, I mean, these cool though. Especially for $18, you really can't go wrong. And they selling tape. I saw this, it said 2-pack of spider web tape. This is really just like one of those collector's pieces, bro. You're not gonna use this. You're just gonna like put this like on your rack, like right here, and just kind of showcase it. But this piece right here, I'm gonna hold off on that. I really like this Letterman jacket. It looks so dope. So black. Oh, they got it embroidered. That's tough. If y'all know anything about me, so if you guys did not know, okay, so I have a brand coming soon. Me and my girl, sells these called Bourget. And I ain't gonna lie, like we about to have like some fire stuff. We're gonna start with the girls off first, because obviously you know how she be coming. Like she's an amazing creator, bro. Like y'all about to see it. And once we like start touching in with the stuff for men, like I'm telling you guys, like we gonna have like some real nice quality stuff. Like I literally can't wait. But like looking at this, like the embroidered stuff, it costs way more money to produce things that are embroidered, but it's just like that nice long lasting thing, bro. Like it's just like, I'm fine with paying the extra amount because you know it's gonna be a nice quality piece. Like it's insane. But oh, that is fire. Oh, I wish it had something on the back too, but that would be overkill. Like imagine if they had something embroidered at the back as well. That would be crazy, but you would probably really have to break the bank for that one. But yeah, this is tough. This is tough right here. And see, I know, this is a regular hoodie. With regular hoodie, no crumpets. Oh man, I'm actually mad, bro. This is fire. Like I mess with this, and let's see this one. Okay, but black Letterman jacket, about 168. Hey, I'm messing with this, bro. I'll probably get this in like a size medium. Oh shoot, okay. Thank you guys for putting me on with this one, okay? Because this is a nice brand, bro. I'm messing with it. It's like the prices ain't breaking the bank, and they still have some nice pieces, bro. This is, and it says sewn satin label. Ah. Okay, so alright, I'm messing with them, bro. I am messing with them. Alright, let me go ahead and rank this. I'm actually pretty happy with this, bro. I was not expecting to actually be like, alright, so lit about them, but like, bro, they actually have really, really nice pieces, bro. This is gonna be like pretty difficult to rank, so let's go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I'm ranking 20 pieces. Okay, so let me just, dang, this is tough. I can tell y'all my top 5 easy, so let me just go ahead and rank it. So we got 1, 2, let's go with the blue, 3. We're gonna have 4 and then 5, okay? Let me go with this hoodie being 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I guess 19, 20. I'm pretty sure I did that one right. If I didn't, it's a lot of pieces, bro. My thoughts be moving. But essentially, just worry about my top 5. The number 1 piece is this Letterman. The second one is the embroidered logo tee. We got number 3 being, number 3 being the blue Heavens hoodie. Number 4, the white Spider-Man bag. And number 5, the yellow Heavens tee. Those 5 pieces, literally, I can go ahead and purchase, and I'm not breaking, I think more than 400, because this is like $40. These 2 pieces alone is like 70. This hoodie is like 88, so let's say that's about 150. This is about 150 in itself, so let's say that's 300. So this is about less than $500 for like these pieces. These 2 right here, they're so tough. So overall, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all my honest viewpoints. This is fire, bro. I'm not surprised that they sold out. They have a pretty good amount of hype. And this brand, I just like them, bro. I feel like they put like more quality into their pieces. Like, how many brands do you really know that are going out their way to embroider stuff on, like, you know, their hoodies and whatnot? Because it does cost a whole lot more for one, and it does take a lot more time. So I'm really messing with this. This is like some nice quality stuff. So you guys already know I gotta go ahead and ask you questions. were you able to cop, okay? And if you were able to cop, let me know what piece you copped specifically, okay? But anyways, guys, make sure you go and smash that freaking like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, bro, before we end this, I gotta thank you guys for the love and support, man. I've been seeing like so many just nice and genuine comments, bro. It really, really does mean a lot. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep working hard. You know, when it comes down to it, bro, the content is literally only going to get better. So, without further ado, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy. And I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9.